Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video I will guide you how you can renew your Sharjah tenancy contract online. For this you have to visit Sharjah municipality website in front of me, okay, and then click smart services. When you click on smart services, you can see here different type of services, and you have to visit rent regulation department services. Here again you can see different option, but you can click on any option, like I'm clicking lease attestation, and then here you can see the login screen. You have to create an account. If you don't have an account, just click on register new user and enter your detail, MS ID, full name, and then submit. And if you have already account, just simply click on the login screen. Okay, after login you have to create a new request and then click residential lease attestation renewal. First you have to download tenancy contract page. That is very important. You have to download, because once you download they will generate a unique code for the contract. So once you download this one, you need to add your detail. Let me, for example, I will download the page. So here I can see different options. Okay, so this one is for Sharjah residential contract, so I need to click on this option, and is downloading now. Okay, it's downloaded now. So here you need to add lease detail, like your name, your nationality, MS ID, phone number, and email ID. And here you can add the owner detail, and down what is your contract date and expiry date and the amount and how many checks. And here you need to add the building name, and in the second page you need to sign here, and here you can get signed from your owner. Okay, and after that you submit the form online on the Sharjah municipality website. Then click enter the services. Here you need to upload all the documents. First you have to upload tenancy contract first page, and then the second page. The old tenancy contract first and second page together you can upload here. And in the last option you need to upload your MS ID, passport, visa copy, your wife passport, visa copy, the owner's MS ID, passport, and the documents for the building, like building permit and all document whatever you will receive from the owner, and then submit. After submitting you will receive an email that document submitted for review. Then you need to click view all requests. So here you can see what document you submitted. You can see the status here. For example, if any documents is missing, you will receive an email that documents is missing, you need to resubmit. So for example, in first phase I applied and I rejected due to I forget to attach some documents. Okay, and then I reapply on the same process. You will do again and attach all the documents. If anything missing, you need to attach again. Okay, and once it's attached, maybe after 1 hour or 2 hours, you will receive a confirmation email from Sharjah municipality to make the payment. Then here the payment link will be active. Here when you click on payment link, you will redirect to the credit card option. You need to make payment, and after payment within 24 hours you will receive a confirmation to download your tenancy contract. Then you can click here, and then you can download first and second page. So this is a short video. Hope you like it. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.